In a sunlit apartment, a fitness guide unveils 5 rapid fat burning moves designed for tight spaces and busy days. First, pull squats with hip thrusts to max out glutes and thighs while maintaining steady breath. Second, alternating high knees with a light torso twist to spark core heat without any equipment. Third, quick reverse lunges into side hops, a tiny agility drill that preserves balance and posture. Fifth, standing oblique twists performed rapidly to torch the core, ending with a brief full body stretch.